Hi friends, welcome to part 2 of Coringa Wildlife Sanctuary in Kakinada. Here, you should not miss the boating. So, in this video, we are going to see very detailed video about the boating in Coringa Forest or Mada Forest. This is the boating spot. This location is so beautiful. It is one of the best spot for the photographies in Korangi Forest. So if you're visiting next time, don't miss to take the photos here. For the boating, the ticket counter is available next to the boating spot. There are two types of boats available. One is a speed boat, another one is a normal boat. The price for speed boat is 800 rupees per trip. 6 to 8 people can join in speed boat. For normal boat, it is 100 rupees per person. As I am a solo traveler, I have chosen the normal boat only. They have provided the life jacket for everyone and the ride has started. Actually, this is known as a sea backwater, and this boating gives you a very good feel because the both sides you will have the greeneries like it because it's a forest. That too, if you're going with friends and family, means you will enjoy the ride like anything. So, whenever you are visiting Kakinada or the people who are residing near to Kakinada, visit the Korangi forest. Especially, don't miss this boating.